This 150-page document has absolutely changed my life. In the last 2 weeks, we've had over 480 hours clocked in on our business on tasks that we didn't have to do ourselves, and it's made scaling much easier. Standard operating procedures, what are they? Not only am I going to be covering that in this video, but I'm going to be giving you 5 steps that you can take to make your very own document like this so you can start buying time back in your business, scaling and doing things that you love. Let's get into it. Work on the business, not in the business. Work harder, not smarter. I always hear this in the entrepreneurship community, but how exactly do you do this?
SOPs are the first step towards that unified approach to your business goal.
Just our production manager position has probably 35 or 40 standard operating procedures at this point.
Everyone would just go in and ransack everything and just throw everything around, and it was totally ridiculous and ineffective. And eventually, I said, okay, we need a standard operating procedure.
The short, unexplained answer is standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Now, before I get started in this video, if you do find any value in this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's get to it. Step 1, I want you to take at least 1 week, preferably 2, and write down everything you're doing in your business. And I want you to give it a title, how long it takes you collectively to do that week, and then I want you to give a very brief description. And that is step 1. Now, step 2, after you have all of the tasks written out, you have a very brief summary and you have a timeline of that. I want you to expand in great detail on those rough drafts that you wrote of the tasks. Go into as much detail as you possibly can. This could take a day. This could take 2 days. Just be sure to do it in absolute most detail. And then once you have those in great detail, along with this, I want you to order these in the process that you would be doing these in. So chronological order. Let's use the example drop shipping. Drop shipping goes like this, and these are very broad tasks. There are probably going to be subtasks under these. It goes product research, list the products, order is placed, and then customer relations. And like I said, there's going to be subsets, but that's generally the order of the way it goes. Step 3, once you have everything in chronological order and you have it written out, I want you to take a couple of days and film videos going over your written instructions. So you're going to film, and you can, if some of this is on the computer, you can film with a screen sharing service like Zoom. We use Zoom. You can do Screencastify if you have a Chromebook. I've been there. And you're going to record these tasks and store them in a Google Drive or Dropbox. And once they're loaded, you can link those underneath the written out tasks. So you have videos to go with your written out material. And you can even take this one step further and categorize them in folders inside of that Drive or Dropbox to really keep it organized, especially as your business grows. The document that you have is really going to grow. Now, step 4, this is where I'm going to help you guys out. Probably the most valuable thing I've ever given out on this channel is you're going to make a table of contents. If you want my exact table of contents, you can grab that in the description below and see how we do it for our Amazon business and how we break it up. The reason why a table of contents is so crucial is because it will allow you to easily navigate through this document, especially when it grows to be 150 plus pages. And when you hire on new people, you can bounce back and forth very quickly and efficiently. Step number 5, you're going to bring on employees to do the tasks for you. This is where you can just bring people on and everything is all written out for them to do. You can answer questions on top of the material. And if there is something that you didn't put inside your SOP and they have questions, make sure to put that in the SOP. We go through an updated document every single month, sometimes even more if there are a bunch of updates, and it's constantly growing. Think of it as a work of art. And guys, that is how you make an SOP. There's no reason you can't do this within a month. It will change your life, I promise you. And even if you don't want to scale, it'll give you time to do the things that you want to do. I've got an interview coming up this Wednesday, and as always, live streams on Friday. Check out the free Facebook group in the description below. And if you do want to learn more about selling on Amazon, check out any of the playlists I have on my channel. 1 or 2 videos a day will really go a long way, I promise. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.